Alright, everybody. Greetings from Thornton on Colorado Boulevard. Going north. I think it's just right up here. So there are actually two car washes right next to each other, and then I'm going to see which one is going to be the one that's worth filming. I'm going to go this way so I can pass by the one here at the Conoco. It's an older Mark VII Aquajet. And in the other system, we have I forget what this place is called, but probably this one. Oh, Water Wizard 2.0. Let's do it, yeah. I thought this was a DNS 5000 at first. Okay. The mirrors a little close to the base station. Oh, a little bit pricey. Okay. So this is the Cool Wash car wash. Alright, so there is your wash options and stuff. Water Wizard 2.0 this time. This is on the S21. Most of your options up there. See the wash and go for 7, the Deluxe for 9, the wash for 11, and the works for 13. I think I'm gonna do the 13 today, actually. I thought, I was at the gas station just up there on the right, I think about a month ago or something. I thought this was a DNS 5000, but I was wrong. Alright, we'll do the top one, the works for 13. Okay. There it goes. Meep meep. Alright, let's head in to the wash. Get my phone now, because Alright. I wonder how new this one is. They still make these things, surprisingly. Weak undercarriage. Let's see, let's try wide angle mode. I'm on my new S21, first car wash video on the S21, so we'll try this out. So yeah, I filmed a 1.0, now I get to see what a 2.0 is like. triple foam. Doesn't look like actual triple colored foam. Oh, this is a newer Water Wizard 2.0 because it has the rotating 0-degree nozzles. I guess that helps with their with the machines being able to save a little bit more water, because the old ones said they use a lot of water. Yeah, this must be pretty new. Kind of surprised that this machine still has a physical floor switch too. No signage that tells what's happening. Spot 3, I think. Nice graphics package on this machine. Doesn't help that the water's dripping from that thing up, or that spigot up there. Dryers are doing pretty good. thing looks like it did a pretty good job. And it like pretty much got the stuck on bugs off of my windshield, so looks great. And there's something leaking from up there. Huh. Okay then. looks kind of sus. All right, well, looks like it did a good job. Get another pass of the Mark VII over here. Looks like a GTO 500. I probably got that wrong because I always get the numbers mixed up on those older Aquajets. Yeah, the Water Wizard was definitely the one worth filming. Well, I guess that'll be it for this one.